One of the most common complaints I hear from private clients and members at my fitness club is tight hips, which are almost always caused by prolonged sitting. So here are 3 of my top stretches to release multiple muscles in the hip complex, those in the lower back, and a tricky portion of your hamstrings. This stretch is probably the one I use the most. It hits your piriformis, TFL, and internal and external obliques. Here's how to do it. Start in a high plank with both hands on the floor. Bring your top foot up as far as you can while able to keep it flat. Keep your arms straight and press your hands into the floor, creating tension. Then drive your hips towards the floor, keeping your legs straight and the knee off the floor. You can hold this for 8 to 12 seconds or make it dynamic, holding each for 2 seconds and repeating 5 to 6 times. You can also up-level this by using a doorway for an even deeper stretch. This is a subtle one, but it makes a huge difference in relieving QL tightness and the proximal head of the psoas, which is just a fancy way of saying where it attaches at your spine. To do it, sit cross-legged and then bend and twist away from the leg that's in front. So in other words, if your right leg is in front, you bend and twist to the left. Grab below the knee and pull yourself as deep as you can. You can also grab your foot for more intensity, or bring your lead arm across your knee and twist further for the ultimate stretch. Okay, full disclosure, this next one sucks, but like in a way that's also amazing. It's also miles easier to have someone else do the pulling for you so you can just focus on your breathing. But as you can see, you can absolutely effectively do it on your own. This hits your glutes and hip complex, as well as your inner hamstring and adductors. So here's how you do this one. Wrap a yoga strap around your foot. If you don't have a yoga strap, you can use a belt or a super band. Keeping your leg straight, bring it across your body while holding the strap in your opposite hand. In other words, if you're stretching your right leg, you're going to hold the strap in your left hand. As you bring that leg across, keep your chest open like in a thoracic twist. Get your leg as close to the ground as you can, then pull on the strap, bicep curl style, to flex your toes to your shins and pull your foot as close to your head as you can. As you're doing all of this, breathe. Once you're at your maximum stretch, take 3 to 4 deep, slow, deliberate breaths. It is going to hurt, but again, in a sweet pain kind of way. Every person I've ever done this for has said the same thing, that they feel like they've just melted into the floor. So there you go. In my opinion, 3 of the best stretches to help release your hips and lower back. If you found this helpful, please give me a like and follow here, or subscribe to my YouTube, or at my profile on Top Fans, where there will be much more content just like this coming soon. Thanks, y'all.